Massive bulls seen across the US, Germany, and UK indices. We have seen all the indices rallying high with the inflation data release. Now, can we expect similar rally today in the indices, or there is a possibility of a retracement and we can expect indices to erase some of the gains from yesterday? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading the S&P, Nasdaq, and Dow, the Germany 40 and UK 100? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Do not miss to watch that. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, the US indices, S&P, Nasdaq, Dow, followed with the Germany 40 and the UK 100 in the end. Watch till the end. See S&P move towards the highs at 5960 here, trading bullish, delivering higher lows, higher highs. The lows for this channel now stays at around 5900, 5880 levels, which is going to be a very, very good support zone if at all indices starts to retrace from here. Also look at the divergence of the moving averages and the prices divergence from the moving average. So these both are critical. It is trading with a strong divergence, and this is also trading with divergence. This increases the chance of prices moving towards this zone at 5930 levels and 5920 levels, possibly below which more bearishness should prevail. The stock ISTIC has dropped. The MACD also just crossed over, and see this crossover is coming at a slightly higher levels, which can begin a slight retracement here in S&P. RSI also coming out of the overbought zone. On the 2-hour, the observation is not much different. Every rise follows with a retracement, and it is possible that prices may start to retrace from the highs of this channel towards the lows, which is right now at 5900. Now 5900, 5920, which was the resistance, now going to be the prime support here. Stock ISTIC dropping sharp. The MACD is bullish here. It is trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over though. RSI overbought. So things are getting overbought here for S&P. On the 3-hour charts also, see this could become the reversal sign. If you see the next drop below 5940, you can expect it to move further down towards 5920. So this may later become the reversal sign, but right now it is not showing such signs of reversal. It is still staying bullish here, and see the moving average is crossing over here, which is also now a very good sign for the bulls. Notice this rise retracement. So rise, it could follow with a retracement. That is what I am looking at, which means it can possibly come down towards 5900, but let's watch out more. Yes, the indicators are getting overbought, which calls for it to start reversing. On the 4-hour chart, similar observation. Notice increasing body size. Preceding candle comes with a double top, which suggests that the current candle might take it further low. It can take it towards 5940 and lower levels. If it fails to trade below 5940 and 5932 levels, you can say we can in fact expect a breakout candle again here, but I will expect it to retrace or start retracing at least. Moving averages continue to cross over here. RSI, stock ISTIC, and MACD all are staying overbought. Coming to the day, on the daily chart, similar observation. Only thing here is the double top which it has formed, and from here a retracement. So if it breaks beyond 5965, that is the point of time you can say now the bulls are back and we can look forward to a rally again. Notice this channel here. The highs are now beautifully connected, and now it is critical and crucial for the S&P to trade beyond 5980-6000 levels, because once it breaks this channel, this is to be treated bullish. That is, it is very, very important for S&P to break beyond 5980-6000 levels, and then it will confirm a reversal. Else what is happening after every drop, it is trying to retrace and it has hit the highs, and now chances for the reversal will increase here. Here's the stock ISTIC rising here. The MACD also has crossed over at the bottom, which is also a good sign supportive of the further bullishness. RSI flat. So looking at this, I will recommend you to now buy. If you see it is staying above 5965, stay bullish for 5980 and then 6000 levels here. Beyond 6000, the sky is the limit. 6020 and 6050 levels should appear here. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 5942 levels, 40 levels. Expect 59303 as the first target, 5920 as the second. At any point of time, S&P trading below 5920, we can expect more bearishness towards 5900 and lower levels towards 5880, 5860. Chances of which such a strong reversal appears to be less. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to Nasdaq. And before we proceed to Nasdaq 100, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a stress-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Look at Tech 100 trading prices trading with divergence from the moving average. Moving averages are trading with divergence as well. Now connect the dots, connect the highs and the lows. You can expect that the support levels at 21,000 are pretty strong, and the prices chances of prices retracing towards 21,000 is also pretty strong. See, it was trading in this channel. It can fall back within the channel here, which means a move towards 21,200, 21,000 zone should be very, very high with the median at 21,100. Now you can also notice the 20 period moving average sitting at 21,150. This is an achievable level. 21,100. This is also an achievable level here. Stochastic dropping here, MACD crossing over here, which is a sign for the sells here. Bears might be active here if it continues, because see, it is crossing over and here, and it can try to retrace towards the lows of this channel, which means 21,150, 100 levels can be expected soon. RSI coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to 2 hour. On the 2 hour chart, similar observation, flat bottom. It is trying to erase some of the gains. It can come towards the bottom of this candle where it is started, that is at around 21,150, 160. Below that, 21,100, 120 should be there. And then in fact we can look forward to 21,060, 21,000 levels. The stochastic dropping sharp. MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to 3 hour. On the 3 hour chart, similar observation. This could become the reversal sign. This could be the first bearish candle, and thus wait for it to now stay below 21,150, 140 zone, below which you can expect more bearishness to prevail here. And yes, I will be definitely watchful of this, because below this is where you can expect 21,000, 21,080, and 21,100 and 21,080, and then in fact 21,000 levels can be there. Look at the formation here on the 3 hour charts. Drop retracement, drop retracement. I can still see this trading in this bearish channel here, where the lows of the channel are now far below. Let's see how far it continues. Yes, the stochastic and MACD are rising, though stochastic is overbought. RSI is now looking downwards. Coming to 4. On the 4 hour charts, it appears to be a breakout candle, and it appears that we can see it proceeding towards 21,150, 160, but you have to watch out with caution. Below 21,150, 160 is where you can expect further drop here. Remember, now it is trying to get back into the zone, that is 21,000, 21,200, which is going to be support zone here. Yes, the stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI flat. Coming to now, before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a stress-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, on the daily charts, the important point to note, it has formed the support at 100 period, trying to bounce back. It has formed a very good bullish candle, but also notice that it is also trading within this channel, and the highs of the channel is almost here at around 21,400 levels. So if you now see US at any point of time is staying above 21,260, 300 zone, you can just stay bullish from here. You can expect it to move towards 21,360 and 400 levels as well, beyond which you can expect more rise here. Possibilities there. See, it can deliver a second bullish candle, but what I'm looking here is it has formed a double top here and trying to erase the gains from here. So possibility of a move towards 21,150, 160, or in fact 21,100 is very, very high. Here's the indicators here on the daily charts are showing an up move, whether be it the MACD which has hit the lows trying to cross over the RSI or the stochastic. So looking at this for the day, I'll recommend you to buy 21,260, expect 21,300, 21,360 and 21,400. Beyond 21,400, I think there is no looking back. You can just stay short, stay bullish for 21,480, 500 at the next. On the downside, a selling entry now at 21,180 can be taken, below which you can expect 21,151 as the first target, 21,080, 21,100 as the next, and then 21,040 third, and then below this is where we will see the critical number at 21,000 again. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Let's move to Dow Jones. See, USTECH on the early charts trying to trade with slight bearishness. Just let it stay below 43,220 levels, below which you can expect it to deliver a round of drop which can take it towards 43,140, 160 zone, and then 43,100, 080. If 43,100, 080 is taken, you can say that the bears are back and you can look forward to a greater correction here. If you see the stochastic, this is dropped to the bottom. The MACD has just crossed over, which is also a good bearish sign here. But I can see good support levels also coming in here in the charts. RSI coming out of the overbought zone is not a good sign for the bulls here. On the 2 hour chart, similar observation. See, after consolidating, trying to break out, just let it stay above 43,220 levels, below which you can expect more bearishness towards 43,150, 160, or in fact 43,080, 43,000 levels. Stochastic dropping sharp. The MACD is trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. RSI staying overbought here. On the 3 hour charts, when you look, notice on the 3 hour chart, similar observation. This could become the reversal sign. This could become the first bearish candle, and thus wait for it to stay now below 43,220, below which you can expect more bearishness prevailing here. And see, too much of divergence of the price from the moving average is cause for it to converge, but right now it is not showing any signs, any bearish signs here. If you connect the dots here, it is trying to trade in this channel. The lows of the channel are now towards 43,000. So even if it tries to drop, 43,000 is going to be one prime support. Stochastic overbought, MACD extremely bullish, RSI overbought here. Coming to 4 hour chart, the observation is similar, and thus at least till 43,350 levels, I will not recommend you to buy. It is right now trying to consolidate it a bit. There is a possibility of a move towards 43,200, 150, 160, or in fact 43,100 levels here, below which slightly bearish, increasing bearishness should be seen here. The moving averages crossing over here is a very, very good sign here. It has shown a stronger rally here, and I expect that US30 may fall back within this zone. This zone is here at 43,000 to 42,500, which is going to remain a prime support zone. Yes, it is slightly overbought on the 4 hour charts as well. Coming to on the daily chart, similar observation, a double top, and with the double top it is trying to reverse. This is always not have been a good sign for the bulls here. Also see it has come down towards the par levels what we had seen with the preceding rise, and now trying to erase some of the gains what we had seen from here. We have seen lower lows here and slightly flat top. So yes, this is an expanding triangle and increasingly bearish channel, though the moving averages have started to converge here but not yet crossed over. The support levels here on the downside towards 42,700 is very, very strong. 42,700, 650 is one level which it needs to break in order to turn bearish. Stochastic overbought, MACD crossing over here is the bottom, is a good sign for the bulls. RSI flat. So looking at this, I will recommend you to sell only if you see it is staying below 43,220, where you can expect it to move towards 43,150, 160, and then 43,100. Below this, chances will be high that 43,000 should be breached, and you can expect 42,800 here. But it requires a lot much of negative sentiments for it to move towards 42,800. On the upside, a buying entry is above 43,320 levels. Expect 43,360 and 400. If it breaks beyond 43,360, 400 zone, stay bullish for 43,500 and 43,600 as the next targets. Possibility is there that if it breaks on the upside, we can look forward to a stronger rally. Trade accordingly. Let's move to Germany for DAX. Trading with divergence, forming a flat base, trying to break out here, possibility of a move towards 550, 560, and this is going to be critical support. So if you now see DAX trading below 2540, you can just stay short for 2500 and 2450 levels here. Yes, it is trading with too much of divergence. It has come down to take the support here. Stochastic oversold, MACD crossing over here with the divergence. It is trading with the bearishness here. RSI coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to 2 on the 2 hour chart, similar observation, increasing bearishness, and now it has created this step. I will wait for the next candle, which could be further increasingly bearish, taking it till towards 540, 550, or in fact 500 levels here, below which more bearishness should be there. Stochastic dropping sharp, MACD trying to converge, RSI coming out of the overbought zone. On the 3 hour chart, second bearish candle, I will wait for the next one, which is going to be increasingly bearish, which is going to take it towards 540, 550, or in fact 500. Below 20,500 is where increasing bearishness should be seen. See, what I expect is I expect the DAX to fall back within the zone that is 20,300, 20,200, 400 zone. Rather, I will say 20,200 to 400 zone. I expect DAX to be back in this zone before it looks forward to any up move. Stochastic overbought, MACD are extremely bullish, RSI overbought as well. So yes, things are slightly overbought here. And the same is here on the 4 hour chart. See, it is formed higher highs. It is trying to reverse. If you see it is staying below 2565, 50 zone, stay short for 2500 and low. Yes, stochastic slightly overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI overbought. So things are definitely slightly overbought here for DAX. Look at the daily chart. See, rise retracement formed a big tail, and it has shown a very, very good rise. It is now at the record levels here, which we had not seen historically for DAX, and thus hitting the high that is trying to the gains today. Notice it is also outside Bollinger Bands, and it is closed at the flat top here. So possibility of a move towards the zone that is 450, 500 is there, and in fact if it trades below 450, we can look forward to 20,400. These are going to remain the prime support zone, as it is seen falling back within the zone. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI overbought. So on the MACD, DAX still has a stronger room for further up move. So considering this, now I'll recommend you to buy only if you see it is staying above 2620, 630 zone, where you can expect 2650, 660 as the first target, and if that is taken, stay bullish for 2695. and 2735 levels, chances for which appears to be less, but yes, if it starts to move upwards, it can deliver a stronger rally beyond 2735. It's 2800 levels. On the downside, a selling entry now I'll recommend is at 2560 levels. Expect 2530, 2500, 2460, 2400. Below 2400 there is no looking back. We are looking forward to a complete correction here towards 2300 and 200, chances of which appears to be very less. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to UK 100. See, UK 100 has formed a double top at 8330 and now trying to erase some of the gains. Now 8300, 8295 is the prime support zone which it needs to break in order to turn bearish, where you can expect 8280, 8260 levels, the next strongest support here. Yes, the stochastic has come to an oversold zone, while the MACD crossing over here is a sign of bearishness, and the RSI dropping again is a sign of bearishness here. On the 2-hour chart, it has formed diminishing bearishness, lower highs, wait for a breakout here, which means if it trades below, in fact, 8300, you can expect it to drop towards 8280 and lower levels towards 8260. Indicators have already started to show signs of drop or signs of cooling here. You can see on the 3-hour charts double top, first bearish candle, second is step candle, and third when it appears, and when it trades below 8300, you can expect a more correction where 8 to 80, 8 to 60 levels can be expected. But right now I can say that such a strong bearishness I'm not expecting. See also this double top zone. This is very, very critical because prices may start to retrace from these levels. Stochastic overbought, MACD extremely bullish, RSI overbought. On the 4-hour chart, similar observation, second red candle, I will wait for the third one here, which means wait for it to stay below 8300. So yes, you can sell here at 8300 itself. Expect 8292, 8280, and then beyond that, more bearishness should prevail towards 8260, 8240. Things are slightly overbought in the stochastic part, while the MACD and RSI still have room for further rise. On the day, notice on the daily charts, it is dropping from the double top zone here. This is very, very crucial. What followed and what has happened in the recent past, you can see hitting the highs, we have seen it correcting again, and now delivering stronger single vertical candle. Now it is trying to raise. Remember, any rise beyond 8330, you have to just stay bullish from there, 8345, 8360, and if it trades beyond 8360, I think there is no looking back till 8400 and higher levels. Possibility is high here. Moving average is crossing over here is a good sign for the bulls, and now 8200 has become the prime support here for UK 100. Stochastic rising, MACD bullish, RSI flat. So looking at this, I'll recommend you to sell at 8300 and buy at 8330. In between this 30 points, do not take a trade. Above 8330, stay bullish for 8350, 8360 as the first target zone, and then 8385, 8400 levels to be seen. Beyond that, sky is the limit. On the downside, take a selling entry at 8 to 8300. If you are selling 8292, 8280 is a good support, and below 8 to 80 is where you can see 8 to 60, 8 to 42 as the next target. Below that, a stronger correction to be seen towards 8 to 20 levels, chances for which appears to be less. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great, profitable trading day ahead.